Oh no. Here we go again. Seriously? Now you're fighting the robot vacuum too? It never ends. No way! She thinks she captured it! Traitor! Oh, come on! Now you're scared? You started this! Bishi win. Look at her. She really thinks she defeated it. Oh, round 2. Bellumii, come back here!